Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2011 Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 4724. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2011. It is a Z20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. Z20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard has one small dent. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, non-seat warmer type, control panel, display cluster, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.